Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. I got a phrasal verb for you today in 1172, to pull up. Now, you got to be careful because phrasal verbs, which is an action verb plus a preposition, actually a participle, but whatever. So we have a verb like pull, P-U-L-L, and then a participle or preposition like up, U-P. And we put these together, and you might know one definition, but phrasal verbs tend to have many different definitions. The same phrasal verb. So today, we're very specifically talking about pull up a chair. Check out the dialogue. Kenny, join us.
Hey, your table is already full.
No, pull up a chair.
Okay, just for a minute, though.
Once again, maybe it's a Christmas party, a restaurant, a bar, something like that. And you see this guy, and you want him to join you. But there are no seats, right? I mean, a typical table has 4 seats. That's it. Maybe 6 seats, maybe 8 seats. Anyway, there are no empty seats. But you want somebody to join. So what do you say? You say, pull up a chair. And that simply means grab a chair from another table, grab somebody's chair that's grab a chair that's not being used by somebody. Don't take somebody's chair. Grab an empty chair and bring it to the table. That's exactly what it means. Too easy. But it's especially at this time of year with all the parties and celebrations, it's a great, great expression. Very good phrasal verb to use. So the dialogue, Kenny, that's a guy's name, K-E-N-N-Y. Kenny, join us. And Kenny says, your table is already full. There are no empty seats. And the other guy says, no, pull up a chair. Grab a chair. Bring over a chair. And Kenny said, okay, just for a minute, though. Happy ending. Good times. There you go. Good times. Good time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Do you agree? I think so. But I'm a Christmas baby. All right, check out the dialogue 2 more times. And together, let's master English. Kenny, join us.
Hey, your table is already full.
No, pull up a chair.
Okay, just for a minute, though.
Kenny, join us.
Hey, your table is already full.
No, pull up a chair.
Okay, just for a minute, though.